Tonight, a district attorney is revealing more about a fire in Onslow County that injured 3 people. The suspect, Duane Brower, had his first court appearance today.
And the 62-year-old was arrested yesterday for setting a house fire on Chadwick Shores Drive in Sneads Ferry. One victim suffered second-degree burns. And News 12's Maya Cruz was at the courthouse as Brower went before a judge. Maya, you've pushed for answers, but details are still limited at this hour.
And Tyler, it's been less than 48 hours since the incident occurred, and investigators aren't saying much. So far, I've learned that Christopher Brower, also known as Duane Brower, has a bond set to $750,000 and is currently facing 5 charges. District Attorney Lee says with the investigation still ongoing, there's not much he can say.
Here's what I can do. I can't really talk about the facts of the case because it's a pending case. Got to make sure the defendant has a right to a fair trial. However, I can tell you Duane Brower has been charged with 3 counts of attempted first-degree murder, felony larceny, as well as a malicious injury or damage by an explosive device.
Duane Brower is now facing those 5 charges. Lee says investigators are unsure if an explosive device is what caused the early morning fire on Tuesday.
The evidence does show there was a fire. That's all I can say right now.
According to the arrest warrant, the explosive device gave 1 victim second-degree burns. Lee says there were 2 other victims in the home at 1640 Chadwick Shores Drive, but is unaware of the extent of their injuries. I spoke to Colonel George from the Onslow County Sheriff's Office, who gave very little information regarding the victims.
My understanding that there was 1 victim that had burns and the other was dealing with smoke inhalation.
I spoke to several neighbors who claim a baby was living in the home, something Colonel George has yet to confirm.
At this time, the investigation is still ongoing, so some of the information is limited that I can provide. We would say if anybody has any pertinent information about this particular incident, they can call the Onslow County Sheriff's Office and speak with our investigative division.
According to the arrest warrant, the defendant was living at the residence at the time. Attorney Lee says the victim knew the defendant but would not specify their relationship. As of now, the investigation is still ongoing. Live in Onslow County, I'm Maya Cruz, News 12.